When we made our hypothesis, we also wanted to think about how the three conditions would change in 6 months to help visualize our thinking. Here, I'm going to show you what we thought condition A, the area covered by woody mulch, would change in over 6 months. We drew a sketch of what we thought it looked like with lots of water in the soil, and then what we thought it would look like in 6 months when the woody mulch shielded the soil from the sun, helping it retain the most moisture. We can also draw what we thought would happen for condition B, with the straw-like mulch. As you can see, it started out with a lot of water, and we hypothesized that there would be less water in the soil after 6 months, since the straw cover doesn't fully block the sun's rays, leading to some partial loss of water. Lastly, we drew what we thought would happen with condition C, with no cover. As you can see, it started out with a lot of water, and we hypothesized that it would hold the least amount of water in the soil after 6 months because there is nothing shielding the soil from the sun, leading to a lot of evaporation.